Leo the lion duck here on my next adventure. You probably know that my duck friends tend to flock together every fall just to talk about what everyone's going to do for the winter. Now that I'm a Merrill Lions Club member, I found out that we here in Merrill get together every fall for a really big shoe. Sorry, I couldn't help myself, just a little bit of lion humor. Seriously though, the Lions get a bunch of people together in the fall to celebrate the end of summer and talk about all of these cool old cars at their annual Lions Club car show.
Sure, but not too big around. I'm a man of means by no means. King of the road.
They even feed people from the Lions stand and then judge whose car is the coolest. Some winners get cash and these really cool trophies. I think it's just another way for us Lions to have some fun and get a flock of people together and show them how fun it is to be in the Merrill Lions Club. Wow, it's just one more Lions adventure after the other. I wonder what's next.